yellow. So as you can see, I'm boarded. And so I'm getting ready to cut my curves in now. And I'm going to do the same thing as yesterday. I'm going to make a video up in little pieces so you got some idea of how I do this and how you want to do it yourself. So before I start, these are the tools I'm going to be using. So I got a multi-tool to finish off the cut, but the saw can't meet the border in the back because that ain't coming out. I got 3 2.5 amp batteries for my circular saws. I'm not using 5 amp and 8 amp because they're going to be too heavy in my hand. I got a pilot drill. I got some small screws, no bigger than a Cortex, because when I put these curves down to mark them, I'm going to fix them. I don't want to move in when I'm marking them. These are my preferred markers. There's my screen for when I'm cutting. Nothing is on the deck, guys, yeah? I'm keeping the deck clear. Back in a bit. So I can't set you up very well to see the full cut, but you'll get the idea of it. So like I said, these yellow lines, I have to cut on these yellow lines. It's important because that will measure my gap in. The marker I used will allow for my gap in between the curves. One's cut in already, so I'm going to give you a little look how I do this one. I'm going to do those speeded up videos. So that's it, all done, cut in, Cortex, fixed. So we've gone through the whole process, blocking for curves, curving boards and installing curves. There we go, guys, good to go. I think I'm going to stop on for a bit now, board this front section. Well, everywhere but I got a border, just going to make things easier for me now when I build steps tomorrow. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video.